I look atrocious, as usual. I almost ran into a sign. Okay. I was supposed to leave to work out at like 11, but I accidentally took a nap because I was kind of tired, and then I was gonna leave at 12:30, and then I realized my headphones were dead, so then I had to charge those. So now it's almost 1:30, and I'm finally making it to the gym, or going to the gym. Today is booty day, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of booty exercises. I just came up with all the exercises that I'm doing, so yeah, I hope that they actually work and I'm actually sore tomorrow. I know a lot of people say that like you don't have to be sore for your workout to work. Like, I don't know, like soreness isn't a measure of how well your workout was or whatever, but I don't know, I just like being sore. It makes me feel like I actually did something. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying some new exercises today. I don't think I'm gonna film just because I feel like my workout's already gonna be like super long, and if I film it's gonna be 10 times longer. I just wish I had like someone to work out with that could film for me, but I'll live. Maybe I'll like tell you guys what I did after my workout. And then after the gym, I just have to run to Walmart real quick because I have to pick up a few things like some contact solution and floss sticks and stuff like that. Also, I would have worked out earlier if, okay, it's actually not sunny now, but this keeps falling. I would have worked out earlier if I knew that it was going to be kind of sunny, because I wanted to tan today, but then this morning, it was cloudy, so I was like, oh, whatever. That means I can't tan today, but now the sun's kind of out and I'm kind of mad. But this clip's already 2.5 minutes, so I'm gonna go. I'm now at Walmart. I had a really good workout. I was sweating a lot. I've gotten better on the Stairmaster, so I think maybe next time I'll up it to level 11. Because I'm not dying as much at level 10. Still dying, but like, I could be dying more. But yeah, just drinking my protein shake real fast. Ow. And then I'm gonna go inside. Let me show you guys what I got real quick, because I got some cool things, I think. So first, I got a new flavor of Halo Top. I got the blueberry crumble flavor. I don't really like blueberry. Well, like I do. I like blueberry things. So like I like blueberry muffins. I've never had blueberry pie. But this is supposed to be like blueberry pie. And I've been wanting to try it. And then, I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure I've had Quest bars before and I didn't like it, but I don't know. I just saw a Quest bar and yeah, I decided to try it. Beauty Guru. It's chocolate chip cookie dough flavor, and I got it because it has like 1 gram of less than 1 gram of sugar in it. So that's really good because it probably has, yeah, it has stevia in it, so that's why it's like. And then Walmart finally has my favorite flavor of kombucha, and it's the watermelon flavor. It's so good. Like, if you haven't had it, try it. It tastes like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. And then I got gingerberry flavored too. I don't really get this one that often, but it's really good. I got apple cider vinegar pills because I've been wanting to try those because apple cider vinegar just doesn't taste good, and it's not particularly good for your teeth and stuff and your throat. So I'm gonna try those out. But yeah, now I'm gonna go home. It's already 4 o'clock. What is this car doing? It's already 4 o'clock, but I need to eat lunch. So, yeah, I'm gonna... Okay, no one's letting me go, so I'm gonna let myself go. So I'm just gonna eat a small lunch, and yeah. Because dinner is soon. Here's my lunch. It's just half... Rhea. It's half of a bean and cheese burrito from Trader Joe's, and I have 4 strawberries on the side. It's already 5 o'clock, so that's why it's so small, because dinner is soon, so I didn't want to get full or anything. So yeah. Good morning. It is Saturday, June 2nd, and it's 8:30, and I'm on my way to the gym. I usually don't work out this early, but we're going to the beach today, so I wanted to get an early morning workout in, and I'm gonna try to work out without eating. So we'll see if I survive and not pass over and die. So that should be fun. One of my favorite YouTubers, Bianca Franco, she does fitnessy videos. She just posted on her fitness Instagram a 30-minute like treadmill workout, and it's kind of like oh, I don't think I've told you guys. So last Saturday, me and my mom went to a free Orange Theory class, and then we decided to sign up. So now I've taken 4 Orange Theory classes in a week, and I really like it. I always feel so good after, and yeah. But anyway, so the treadmill workout that Bianca posted on her Instagram is kind of like Orange Theory inspired. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna hopefully be able to do legs. My butt has shrunken tremendously, and I know that when you're like cutting and you want abs, that you have to sacrifice some of your other muscles, and mine just happens to be my butt. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't shrink to a pancake. I'm also about 6 weeks out from my vacation, so I really need to strap down and eat healthy and train so that I can look good while I'm in Jamaica. Cardio portion was really good. It was basically just you like ran a quarter of a mile, and then you did like some type of workout. Like there was a leg portion and then an arm portion, so did like jump squats and then lunges and then like curtsy lunge squat things, and then for the arm portion it was push-ups and then like commandos, which are like also abs, and then tricep push-ups, and you just alternate between that and running a quarter of a mile. I don't think I'll ever be like a long distance runner just because I hate running so much, but I liked that because I felt like I wasn't like sprinting all out. Like I did it around like 6 or 6.5. Bianca, who made the workout, she runs out like a lot, like 7, but I'm not there yet. But like I still felt like I was running, but it was like a short enough, obviously I felt like I was running, but it was a short enough time that like I didn't get bored and I didn't, so I don't know. Like it literally only took like 2.5 minutes to run like a quarter of a mile. I didn't get to do everything else that I wanted to do because I think we're leaving around 11 and it's already 10. So, well, it's like 10:15 now. But that's okay. I still got in a good portion. I mainly just didn't do abs. And I didn't do one leg workout, but they were curtsy lunges anyway, and I already did curtsy lunges when I was doing the running portion, so I thought that would be okay if I skipped out on those. And I didn't do abs, but I mean, I could always do abs later. I could always do abs at the beach. I could always do abs tomorrow. I plan on doing abs tomorrow anyway. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna go home and shower and get ready for the beach. We're leaving for the beach now, and I just made some avocado toast real quick. This looks really good. As usual, but I just wanted to come on and end the vlog. It's the next day. It's now Sunday, and after the beach yesterday, we just went to my mom's friend's house and we had dinner, and that was really yummy. And then yeah, we came home, went to sleep. But I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please like this video and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next time.